maze road. Shadows dance onward. Seraphina moves with ethereal grace, her gaze falling upon a blind woman, lost and alone, her face a canvas of weariness. A broken stick trembles in the blind woman's hand. As Seraphina's expression softens, her heart moved by profound compassion. Dust swirls around Seraphina as she approaches the old woman, her smile gentle in the harsh, unforgiving light. "Dear mother, where are you going?" Seraphina asks, her voice cutting through the desolate silence. "I've lost my way. I can't find my home anymore," the old woman replies, lost and weary. Seraphina gently guides the old woman, their figures illuminated against the night. The old woman says, "You are not a stranger. You are a blessing from heaven. May the skies always protect you, kind angel," she whispers as Seraphina says, "Goodbye."